Hi, my dear student. Today we will discuss chapter 3 trigonometric functions. Exercise 3.1, question number 9. We have if secant theta plus tan theta equal to p. Obtain the value of secant theta, tan theta and sin theta in terms of p. If you want to solve this problem, you should know the basic identities of trigonometry. Okay. Obtain the values of secant theta, tan theta and sin theta in terms of p. Okay. We have secant theta plus tan theta equal to p. I'll find out 1 by p. What is 1 by p? 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Multiply and divide the conjugate. The conjugate of secant theta plus tan theta is nothing but secant theta minus tan theta. Multiply and divide. When you multiply and divide secant theta minus tan theta, here a plus b, a minus b, it gives a square minus b square. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. Therefore, secant square theta minus tan square theta will be 1. Since 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So therefore, secant square theta, when this tan square theta comes here, minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore 1 by p. You need secant theta in terms of p. When you add these two, I'll take this is 1 and this is 2. 1 plus 2 implies, see, when you add plus tan theta minus theta, tan theta get cancelled. Secant theta plus secant theta, 2 secant theta. Here p, here 1 by p. P plus 1 by p. Understand? I have p equal to secant theta plus tan theta. I'll find out 1 by p. That is 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. I'll multiply and divide the conjugate. When you do this process, denominator becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta. Is it the basic identity? No. I'll use this identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. It gives secant square theta minus tan square theta as 1. So the denominator becomes 1. When you add these two, tan theta and this minus tan theta get cancelled. So 2 secant theta equal to p plus 1 by p. When you take LCM, p square plus 1 by p secant theta, this 2 will come down. Got it? Is it clear? When you take LCM, p square plus 1 by p, this 2 will come down. Therefore, secant theta equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. Therefore, secant theta in terms of p. Similarly, when you subtract these two, 1 minus 2. When you subtract secant theta minus secant theta get cancelled. Tan theta minus of minus plus. So, 2 tan theta which is equal to p minus 1 by p. Got it? Very simple. First case, when you add 1 and 2, tan theta and tan theta get cancelled. You will get 2 times secant theta which is equal to p plus 1 by p. Finally, I am getting, when you take LCM, secant theta become p square plus 1 by 2p. I am getting secant theta in terms of p. Similarly, from 1 and 2, when you subtract 1 minus 2 plus secant theta minus secant theta, when you subtract, it cancel. It become minus and minus plus. So, tan theta plus tan theta, 2 tan theta, p minus 1 by p. Take LCM, it gives p square minus 1 by p. This 2 will come down, so tan theta. So, finally, I am getting my tan theta equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. So tan theta in terms of p. You wanted to find out your secant theta in terms of p, tan theta in terms of p. I use the basic identity. And I need sin theta. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. What is tan theta? Sin by cos. So I'll divide these two. Tan theta divided by secant theta. Tan theta, I'll take this is 3 and this is 4. 4 divided by 3 implies tan theta divided by secant theta. Here p square minus 1 by 2p divided by p square plus 1 by 2p. What is tan theta? Sin by cos. What is 1 by secant? Secant goes to the numerator. cos. So cancel p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. So get cancelled. Sin theta will be p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So finally I am getting my sin theta in terms of p as p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Very simple. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta equal to p. I will find out 1 by p. Why I am going to find out 1 by p? If I am going to write 1 by p, the denominator becomes secant plus tan. If the denominator carries secant theta plus tan theta, I can multiply and divide the conjugate. When you do this process, you will get the denominator as 1. Already we did in 10th standard. Okay, so that I am going to find out 1 by p. I am getting secant theta minus tan theta. Here we have secant theta plus tan theta. Here we have secant theta minus tan theta. When you add tan and tan get cancelled, I'll get secant theta in terms of p. When you subtract secant theta get cancelled, I'm getting tan theta in terms of p. Okay. And of course, you know what is tan theta? Sin by cos. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. When you divide these two, cos get cancelled. I'm getting sin theta in terms of p. Is it clear?